Aku apa tip siapang cumi. Gak kemen pat. Apa nom si kelayang ah?
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Mmdr ba kejelau Conrad kongka sangma rengkat ke jingsen ranlang ke MLA jong ka sutengah saipung konstituensi ke kong Santa Mary Shella haga nyotrik unaitung ajak pun rio kilai kendu yang menteri ke Sorkar Pdeng ubakmi ya ke Ministry of Coal and Mines uji Kishan Reddy han New Delhi ban kerpat ya ke Sorkar India ban IT syakajela Hapoh ke section arpun rio jong ke Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act syiaja khandai sepasan punyau ya ke bor ban ajing menjur ya ki mining plan nak benta ke kamti Dewïong. Hau kerwa bla pha shkila pathai kubor Mmdr ba ulaong ba kani ka sinjam kan plila iki hajar ngut kitrai ki badan ki pa Dewïong ki badan ban yo ya ka hok ti Dewïong bat iki jing menjur ki badan kam Hapoh ka jela. Mmdr ba la IT ru hau menteri ka Sorkar Pdeng ya ka jing tho ka babatai benia ya ka nongrem bat ya ki bor ba ka jela ka dawa. Haka bakut jong jingalang Menteri ke Sorkar Pdeng ula ajingmut badai bentau da ke komiti ban bishar benia ya ke nikam ya ke bala menjuru da Mmdr ba ka jela.
Okay. We just had a meeting with the Honorable Minister for Mining and for Coal, Government of India, Shri Kishan Reddy ji, and discussed in detail with all the officials regarding the mining situation, especially to do with coal in the state of Meghalaya. And the response was extremely positive, and Honorable Minister has directed that a committee should be formed immediately to look into the ways and means in which we'll be able to help the smaller miners in our state and be able to give the opportunity for them to move in a legal way, which is a challenge as of now. And therefore, a very, very positive, constructive meeting was held. Very soon we'll be forming this committee and we'll look into the ways and means, keeping in mind obviously the constitutional provisions, keeping in mind the legal acts and other aspects, and yet looking at the local situation in Meghalaya and being able to find a solution so that our small-time miners can benefit from the changes that will take place. So it was a very positive meeting, and once again I thank the Honorable Minister for his time as well as for his concern and his direction for us to move forward. Thank you so much.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa ba finchet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da ka ne ka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry Pdeng pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono Henry minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kane ko umpnyang siya ka biodiesel tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan ktasyo.